want us to slide down the stairs in sleeping bags.
So, here we go.
Kinda scary. Well, hopefully we don't get injured too bad.
We have pictures tomorrow.
There we go. School with big bruises on our face.
Okay, here we go.
Okay. I don't want to go first. Where can you find the video?
This is real. Go. Yeah.
I'm so scared.
Go.
Do it! It's so fun! You're so lame! I'm getting back up the stairs. We got the door closed on it. We should go at the same time.
I need to turn myself around. This is gonna hurt. No, I didn't. I was like farther ahead than you.
No, you weren't.
How was I like? Oh, I was probably leaning forward.
I was leaning backwards, but I was steps ahead of you. When you lean backwards, it doesn't hurt as much. And you go faster. It's just so much more fun. This was like really intense. Like, what's it called? Like bag racing? Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
What's it called? That's what it's like, exactly. Really. It's so much energy to get up the stairs.
That's why I walked. It keeps on coming and zip, and it's kind of scaring me because I don't want to pull out. Okay.
Lean backward, Elaine.
I can't!
Why?
Because it scares me because I have a bad back.
Okay.
This whole experience was just a fail.
Did you start it? Stairs number 2. You go first.
Are you getting my bag on?
The sun is so hot, the drinks are so cold, your clothes is fine.